Hey G Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool Amazon right here, and basically what these are some pill organizer case. So you can see the part right here is all nicely wrapped up. But let's remove the wrapper first. Alright, so once we remove the wrapper, there's another wrapper right here. So let's take off this wrapper as well. Alright, so once we take off the wrapper, you guys can see that this is basically what it looks right here. So you can see right here is labeled all the dates on here. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And it's all like color coded as well, which is pretty cool. And basically the way how you guys use the part right here is actually very simple. You guys don't need to actually open it like that. Instead, it's like a push design. So if you guys push it down, it opens up the lid. And when you guys want to close it back up, it seals up like that. Same thing for other ones as well. It's basically all like a push design, which is definitely pretty nice. And the way how to design this part right here, it actually will not fall out if you guys close it correctly. So if you guys shake the pills inside, you never have to worry about it falling out. And supposedly the material that they use on here is a BPA-free material on here. And they also mentioned the way how they print the actual words on here is pretty high quality. So you don't have to worry about the product scratching anytime soon in terms of the words falling apart. And when you guys open up, you can definitely see the inside right here is actually very spacious. So if you guys want to like store like vitamins in here, or if you guys want to store candy in here, you can definitely store whatever you guys want inside right here. But the way how to design the part right here is mainly for pills. So for example, if you guys need to take like your vitamins daily, you can definitely put it inside right here. So let's say for example, if I open up this one right here, if I put the candy inside right here, you can definitely see that's actually pretty spacious. But obviously when you guys put like your vitamins inside right here, it's much smaller than candy. But that is basically what the product looks like inside right here. And I really like the way how to design the case as well. It's so minimal and portable. So if you guys want to bring it when you guys are traveling, you definitely can. But that is basically everything that's on the product right here. Not a good unboxing and testing the product. Not to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for the product here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it. Especially like I mentioned earlier, if you guys need to take like your daily vitamins, then you definitely want to get one of these right here to organize it. So that way you guys know which one to take each day. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.